What is going on, YouTube? You know who it is. It is Hef. I'm back in the building with another YouTube video. In this video, we're gonna do a nice unboxing. Your boy Hef just got his iPhone 13 Pro Max in the mail. Thank you, Apple. And we're gonna do the unboxing all together right here on this video. Let's get started, shall we? Matter of fact, let me give y'all a better angle. Stay tuned. And let's kick off the unboxing. I am very excited to try this phone out. I had my eyes on this iPhone for quite some time. All right, so this is me showing you guys the box. It has two tabs to pull off on the back to open the package. I, of course, didn't know that at first, so you'll see I realized it right here. And here we go. 256 gig in gold iPhone 13. Those cameras on the back are beautiful, and that camera bump is definitely bigger on this model than on the iPhone 11 and 12. Here we're gonna take the paper off and look at that sight. Beautiful, beautiful display. I don't know. All the colors look good, but I just had to get the gold. I'm actually shooting this with the phone I'm going to replace it with, which is the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So I am leaving Android. Here we just have the cables and whatnot. Didn't want to bore you with those details. You'll probably see them in all the unboxing videos. But I actually want to show you guys the case that I got. It's from Casemate. It's clear, of course, because what's the point of getting gold if you can't see it? So in my next video, I'm going to show you what it looks like with the case on it. And this is the case fully installed on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Here's the welcome screen. Gives you a little script action, which is new. I don't think it was on the 12. But iOS 15 fully installed. And I'm going to just go through the menus just for a little bit. I'm not going to do the full menus. That'll be a separate video. English, United States. And then from here, I'll probably just set it up manually. But anyway, thank you for watching. Please feel free to let me know what you think in the comments below. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.